Let's get ready, come and play. We will draw a flower today. Hold your marker nice and tight. We'll make happy lines just right. Trace it slowly, don't you rush. Nice smooth lines with gentle touch. Follow shapes and you will see a flower friend so happily. Start with face so bright and sweet. Now your flower you can meet. Trace, trace, nice and slow. Watch your pretty flower grow. Line by line and curve by curve. You're the artist, yes you are. Now add petals all around. Soft round shapes, nice and round. One by one they hug the face, making such a lovely place. Draw a stem going down below, nice and straight or slight and slow. Add 2 leaves on either side, like green wings open wide. Make a pot for it to stay, round and cozy in a way. Add a heart or fun design. Now your flower looks so fine. Time to color, bright and fun. Yellow face like little sun. Pink petals, green leaves too. Pick your favorite, it's up to you. Trace, trace, you did great. Look at what you can create. Clap your hands and shout hooray! I drew a flower today. Let's get ready, come along. We will draw and sing a song. Take your pencil, hold it tight. We'll make magic lines today, alright. Follow gently, nice and slow. Tracing lines will help you grow. Round and smooth, don't rush the play. Your flower friend is on the way. Start with face so bright and sweet. Say hello, your flower you'll meet. 2 small dots for eyes so wide. Shiny, happy, side to side. Add a smile, curved and neat. Now your flower looks so sweet. Trace, trace, nice and slow. Watch your happy flower grow. Line by line and curve by curve. You're the artist, yes you deserve. Trace, trace, don't you rush. Take your time with every brush. Soon you'll see what you can do. A lovely flower just by you. Now let's draw the petals round. Big soft shapes all around. 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. Your pretty flower comes alive. Curve them gently like a hug. Each one fits so nice and snug. Keep them even, take your time. Drawing petals is so fun and fine. From below, a line goes down. That's the stem so tall and proud. Nice and straight or slightly bent. Either way is excellent. Add 2 leaves on either side, like green wings spreading wide. Curve them softly, long and neat. Now your plant looks fresh and sweet. Trace, trace, nice and slow. Watch your happy flower grow. Line by line and curve by curve. You're the artist, yes you deserve. Trace, trace, don't you rush. Take your time with every brush. Soon you'll see what you can do. A lovely flower just by you. Let's draw a pot for it to stay. A cozy home in a happy way. Start up top with a little ring, then a round bowl underneath. Make it big and make it wide. looks extra fine. Now it's time to color bright. Make it joyful, full of light. Pink or purple for petals fair. Yellow face with a happy stare. Green for leaves and stems so tall. Blue or red, choose any at all. Use your colors bold and free. Paint your world with creativity. If you slip, it's okay. Keep on trying anyway. Every line you draw with care shows your love and time you share. Big or small, thick or thin, art is joy that comes within. Smile and see what you have made, a flower friend that will not fade. Trace, trace, you did great. Look at what you can create. With your hands and with your heart, you've made a beautiful piece of art.